All right, yeah. So I got the Seahawks 49ers game tonight, which I'm really looking forward to on a rare Thursday night. I get to watch my Seahawks. Hopefully we can beat them. It's always scary when they team up, but I want to start off. I'm not going to harp on this too much more. This is going to be the last video where I mention it, but I'm kind of disappointed in not you guys here on YouTube, and it's not bad to badmouth people that are following you and watching your videos, but I opened up a charity, a GoFundMe for the hurricane victims yesterday, and all I got was a bunch of naysayers thinking I'm trying to scam them or something. I posted on Facebook, some Facebook HVAC groups. I thought the HVAC community was pretty, a good tight knit community. I'm finding out that a lot of them are just distrusting assholes, honestly. I put a link to my YouTube page and my Facebook page, and they thought it was me just trying to self-promote. No, that's not what it's about. So what they don't understand is Facebook does not like you to, do an outside link to somewhere else that sends them away from their site, and I'm sure YouTube does that too. But I wanted to put that on there to show them that I'm legitimate company, with a legitimate Facebook and YouTube page. I'm not a scammer. All the information's there if you seek it out. And I just get people bombarding me left and right. Yeah, you scammer. You're trying to bilk people out of their money. And that couldn't be anything further from the truth. I don't need your money. I got my own money. I definitely don't need to go do something illegal on Facebook and YouTube and try to steal money from people. That's not who I am. And a couple clicks of the mouse, you could see that. So anyway, I'm disappointed in the YouTube community because I haven't gotten one single person to give 1 cent other than myself. I put $200 in to get it started yesterday, and I thought maybe that'd get the ball rolling. People would see that I donated to it, and maybe they would, out of the kindness of their heart, they would go and put some money into it. It just irritates me. So this is the last time I'm going to harp on it. I just want to do a quick video about it. It's legitimate. Now, if you go on to GoFundMe, I think there's 3 separate categories, but the 2 categories that I'm thinking of, the first one is you can do a personal one, right, where I could actually take the money out and withdraw it myself. That's not what this type is. There's a separate line, a separate segment for charities, and then you can search different charities to figure out which one you want to give to. So I just searched Tampa Bay, and I saw it was there. There's a company called United Way Suncoast. They do disaster relief stuff, and it even does a little questionnaire on there asking you what it's for. And I said it's for the hurricane relief from these last couple of hurricanes. Anybody needs help, I'm trying to raise money for it. So that's what I did. The only entity that can take that money out is that corporation, or is that nonprofit, which is that Suncoast, United Way Suncoast. So when somebody comes at me and goes, "Oh, you're trying to scam or trying to steal money," do a couple clicks of the mouse, do a little bit of research, and you'll see that that's not the case. Okay. I just hate when people do that, because I get scammed all the time. I get at least 50 scam phone calls a day. My voicemail's full right now because I have so many people that try to scam me on a daily basis. I don't have time to keep up and keep my voicemail clear. Last year, I had my bank account drained by somebody in the who knows where, probably India or something, Ghana, or wherever those people sit in those big control rooms and try to steal money from people. So I'm tired of it. My wife got scammed last week from a Craigslist thing, or not last week, last year, from a Craigslist thing, because there's scammers out there, and I get it. But if you just research me a little bit on, look at my Facebook page, look at my YouTube page, you got nothing to worry about. It's going to a charity. It's tagged that way through the GoFundMe. So I'm not going to say anything else. I just wish more people get on there and give a little bit of money. It makes me feel good to be able to do something like that. And like I said, I started it with $200, and I'm going to put more in. I just want to see if the rest of the community will do it as well. So I'm not mad about anything. It's just I really wish that I really wish that people would come through and not think the worst in people, which I never do. It's probably why I've been taken a few times. So that being said, I'll see you guys back tomorrow with a couple. I'm gonna have a couple of videos because I'll have today's install video and tomorrow's. So and tomorrow I got a sales and service call for you too. So I'll see you tomorrow.